Good rising, good rising. What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Queen Boss Lady, and I'm back with another spiritual message for you guys. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you go ahead and smash that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop a spiritual reading or a spiritual message. Okay, so I'm just rising up on today. And I got this message from the Most High that a lot of people that they never had a conscience. It's like they do whatever, they say whatever, and they never think twice about it. They never think about it again. It's like they do no evil, they see no evil, but they are the evil. They just can't see the evil that they do. Well, a new day has come, and these people have probably mourned up, you know. I don't say good morning because I'm not mourning about anything. I don't mourn up. I rise up. But these people have woke up mourning because all of a sudden, like a light switch has flicked on in their mind, and God has turned on all the nasty, malicious words that they said to you. It's just replaying in their head over and over. And they're like, what the fuck is that? They are being met with their own words that they said about you. They are being haunted. Finally, of the things that they have done to you and how they have tortured you for years. It's okay, baby. She's eating too fast. And she's been up all night doing stuff. So that's confirmation too. I don't know if you guys just heard my daughter, but she just said my cat threw up, right? That's what these people are doing this morning. They are sick to their stomachs. A lot of people can't even believe what they said and what they've done. But God has given them a conscience. Because see, these people, they don't have a conscience. They don't have a conscience. They don't know what they do wrong. They don't know what they say wrong. And if you confront them, they'll just say, I don't remember. I don't recall saying that to you. God is saying, since a lot of folks want to play with memory, they want to play the memory loss game. 352 on the clock. So, since people want to play memory loss game, what if they have no memory at all? Because, see, what you pretend to be is what you become. So, while all these gang stalkers and agents that your family sent in and they want to come in and they want to pretend like they're this and pretend like they're that, well, now they have really become that. I'm getting someone couldn't stay in character and you cracked the code. Well, these people are now haunted by the things that they have done. If you've ever watched like a murder trial or anything like that, it's like these people want to get off with murder. They want to be proven as innocent. And it's just like, I'm innocent. I'm innocent. And it's like they really believe that. These people have you on video. These people have you on, hard evidence. But they still refuse to go in there and say, I'm guilty. What's going to be my punishment? I take full responsibility for snapping out, spazzing out, and whatever the situation was, cracking someone's neck. They're just not going to do it. Oh, but a new day has risen. And these people are going cuckoo, cuckoo with the words that they spoke to you, with the lies they told on you behind your back. And it's burning them up inside. They want to tell you the truth. They gotta tell you the truth about why your family paid them to slander your name. Why your family paid them to not give you a job so you would starve. The nasty, evil, malicious lies that they told on you is now ringing in their ears. Even when they play loud music, I'm getting someone's trying to tune these voices out. And it's not working. God is like, remember when you said this? Because see, you can play dumb in front of folks all you want. That's cool. But remember I just said, these people that get around you and they play dumb, God will grant you that wish. Or God has granted you that wish at this time. You want to play dumb? You might just rise up dumb. Dum da dum dum. Oh, I don't have a clue as to what you're talking about. And then you will notice these people will never have a clue again. And then what do you know? Like, you're just minding your business. You're just minding your business, and the wind just blows this information past your ears. So-and-so act like they ain't got a clue no more. They act like they ain't got the clue even if you give it to them. Like, they kind of off their little rocker or something. And you like, child, no. No. Not the computer savage. Not the genius of goddamn. Did you put some milk in it? Milk? Yeah. You used the last of the creamer?
Mm-hmm.
Let me taste. Yeah. Tastes like you need another packet of Kool-Aid. I don't even drink Kool-Aid. It tastes like you need another packet of coffee and
Mommy, but I don't.
I'll get it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. But if you think that these people are walking around with just a clear conscience, a clear head, they don't, they can't comprehend that they have done something to you, they have no recognition that they was a whole hitman in your life. Like, no, I'm just a regular person. I just work for Walmart. I don't, kill people on the side. I don't take side deals. You're wrong. They're being haunted by their decisions. They're being chased by their own actions. And they're being stalked by their own words that they spoke about you. And they want you to think that they're just, off living in paradise. And for a while, for a long time, these people they haven't had a conscience. That's why they can, they can be a hitman, they can be a gang stalker, they can be a slanderer. Someone paid crumbs to bums to slander your name. They can do these things and just, go have a cocktail and don't think anything of it. Go and kill people and don't think anything of it. Well, these people that have murdered people, you know, you know, these people that they murdered is now sitting on their bed, just like, what's up? What it is. What? It's not so easy to do these malicious acts on this earth anymore. I'm getting the mind is being prosecuted. Their minds are being prosecuted at this time. Their mind is getting like shocks of the things they said to you, the things they've done to you. They can't take it. They could say this nasty, evil, malicious shit to your face, but now that it's replaying in their head, they're like, oh my God, how do I get this out of my head? How do I get this out of my mind? I'm getting in the middle of working on somebody else. They're coming to a realization. Oh my God, I feel bad. These are people that don't feel anything. That's why they can kill, steal, rob, manipulate. These hitmen, they don't care if you have children. They don't care if you're a good mother. They don't care about any of that. They're heartless and they're ruthless. But now all of a sudden, boo-boo, boo-boo, they're like, I got a heart. I actually care. Surprise, shawty. These are people that don't want a conscience. These are people that don't want to hear they're wrong. They will literally stop coming around you just so they won't hear the truth of what an evil, nasty, malicious bastard or person that they are. They're like, oh, I'll just stay away from you because you're the problem. If you think you're going to tell me what I'm doing wrong and what I'm saying wrong to you. These are people that never got the mental help that they so desperately needed. And they just went on in life. And because they got a good job and it made them look normal on the outside, but on the inside, they're all fucked up, twisted and confused and discombobulated. No signs of life on the inside. But as long as on the outside, it looks like I'm living my life like it's golden, these people want to be chosen. Now they sick to their stomach. They throwing up. I'm getting, because all the black magic and all the slandering, all the humiliation rituals that they did on you, they're the ones humiliated now. They are the ones being slandered and slaughtered out here on these streets. Everybody know they're a hitman. Everybody know that they are heartless, cold, ruthless ass motherfucker. Everybody knows that your dad was putting cameras in your home and watching you fuck. Everybody knows. That's what your dad did. So why would you walk around with your head hung low and hung down when people just show you every day what a fucking evil, malicious monster they are? But that's what these creatures, these unstable creatures think. They think that if I show you I'm such a bad monster, rah, you'll hide under your bed, rah. Well, you got some people out here, they like the motherfucking Ghostbuster, and they looking for y'all to bust your ass. They're not scared. They're not underneath the bed. These people thought that you was gonna, change yourself and be cold and, detached, because they showed you what an evil, nasty, malicious monster they are. These people can't really think that far, you guys. So we're going to cut them some slack, because they really can't think that far. A lot of these men can't even think past sex. Like, they can't even, they're so perverted and just nasty and go both ways. A lot of men that go both ways, they pressure you into sex. It's like sex, it would be, a very big thing for them. I'm just trying to put y'all up on game real quick. These men that want to have sex with you so fast, it's because they're gay. And they have to feed this little, calling that, oh my God, if I'm with another woman, then that will, I don't have to go to Dave. That's all that is. They're still gonna go to Dave anyways. But that was just a quick message letting you guys know that these people, it's replaying in their mind. It's replaying over and over and over what they did, what they said, how they tried to take you out, how they was talking about you, how they was spreading lies, and they knew they was lies. Even people are recognizing, hey, aren't you was telling me about so-and-so. Like, and they like, huh? Yeah, you was talking about John. You told me John was fucking, he went to the crazy house. Like, you told me John was like, off, But I seen John. And John looking good, smelling good, feeling good. You look like you seen a ghost, though. You all right? These people are now fitting the descriptions that they said about you. What's wrong, baby? What's wrong, baby? Y'all, my cat is crying, and I'm gonna get off and see what's up with her. What's wrong, baby? Come over here and I'll rub your stomach. Come over here and I'll rub your belly. All right, guys, my baby needs me. Being a cat mom is like, oh my God, I need some milk. Like, we need help. Oh my God, being a cat mom is exactly what it is, like a cat mom. To the next video, you guys, remember, I care for you. Peace.